Alright, now we're ready to start learning the notes of Hedwig's theme. We're going to start on B on the A string, one finger on the A string, and then go to E string. Just like that. Next note is a G on the E string, the low 2, and then we'll play the 1, the F sharp. G, F sharp. Right? So we got B, and then E string again. Next note is a B on the E string. Reach really high with your 4th finger there to get to a note named B on the E string. And then A. And F sharp. Just like that. Now we'll do the E, G, F sharp thing again. Just like that, right? Now we're going to play a note named D sharp on the A string. So we're going to play a half step higher than D, which is named D sharp. We're not going to play it with our 3 though. A lot of times we'll play that with a high 3 to play D sharp. This time we're going to play D sharp with the 4th finger. So it's going to look just like that. 4 is just a half step away from 3 to play D sharp, a half step higher than D. Now we're going to reach back with the 1 to F. So a half step lower than F sharp is F, just like that. And that's why we wanted to play our D sharp with our 4th finger, because that makes it a little easier to reach back with the 1 on the E string instead of having to reach back from the high 3 and then reach all the way back for the 1, for the low 1. So we got the 4th finger on D sharp, then the low 1 on the E string on a note named F. And then the 1, for the very next note, the 1's going to need to pop back to its normal place, but over on the A string. So we're going from F on the E string to B on the A string, just like that. So those 3 notes, you want to practice just those 3 notes a few times. You got the D sharp, the F, and the B, just like that. Let's do that again. There you go. So, from the beginning, we have there you go. So that is it for now. And next I will show you the part that has the shift in it. So you might want to first look at the video for the practicing 3rd position shifting for Hedwig, and then the next continuation of learning the notes. All right, good work, keep it up, and I'll see you next time.